Hey guys, it's your favorite brown girl here. It's Ninja Marie. I'm back with another video. Now today's video is going to be based on the lipsticks from UOMA Beauty. Now UOMA Beauty is a brand new makeup company founded by a woman named Sharon who has some beautiful African roots, and she wanted her makeup brand to exemplify that. Right now I am wearing the foundation, concealer, contour brush, and their eyeshadow. Now let me show you what I have so far. I have their foundation, and I am wearing the color Brown Sugar T3C, which means, and the C basically means that I have a cool undertone. I'm using the contour stick in shade orange, which matches my foundation, and it is a double stick. It has contour stick on one side and then the highlight stick on the other. I'm also using concealers from them as well, and they're great. These concealers remind me of Shape Tape, and what else? And what's another one? Makeup Revolution. They're almost similar. The formula is consistent to those two brands. And I'm also using their amazing eyeshadow palettes on me as well. I think I used about all three on my eyes, and the pigments on these bad boys are like amazing. Let me just give you an example, right? So I'm gonna test out this color right here, which is Magical. Just let me show you how beautiful it is and pigmented that is just by one little swipe. So their eyeshadows are great. Their foundation literally matches me to a T. And everything else is pretty great. I can't wait till they come out with like powders, setting powders, and like regular powders for your face. Mascara. I know they have an eyeliner. I didn't get the eyeliner. But yeah. So there are 16 badass icon lipstick shades out there, and basically with each lipstick there is a name of a woman who is a badass icon in our century that we lived in. So I have 10 shades, and I am going to try them on, and I really hope you like them on me. The consistency is matte, but it's a smooth matte. It's not dehydrating. It really hydrates your lips, and the finish is really nice, and the colors really pop. Just wait and see. They really pop, and I know you'll love them just as much as I love them. I love the brand in general. Just look at my face. I look good, right? I look good. Oh, I just farted. I look good. I like the brands. I like the colors. I like all that it represents. So I really hope you guys give this brand a chance. I'm pretty sure you can find your shade. I actually worked the ULTA counter, and I was able to shade match I think 90% of everybody that came to me. So I'm really good at matching shades too. Are you gonna hire me or not? Hey guys, so let's get into these lipsticks. Now the first one I'm going to try is called Eartha. I feel like it's gonna be earthy, warm, a nude type of color. All right. Now if I was gonna wear this out on a regular day, of course I would add a brown liner. Brown liners are key to this look, but I just want to show you guys how it looks on me, on my skin tone. I do love the color, and then I would throw on a gloss on top of it. But now the second color is called CORETTA. Ooh, pretty. Now this next color is called Tina, and I feel like it's gonna be really nice and bright. It is. Sade. Now this next color I'm going to try is called Sade. Ooh, Lord knows I like a good red. Now this next one is called Whitney. Ooh, look at this. Yes, color. Now the next color I'm going to use is called ARETHA. It's like, I feel like it's a nude, pinks and browns mixed together. So the next color I'm going to use is called Miriam. I feel like it's another nude. It looks kind of the same like the other one, but we'll see how it looks on my skin. So the next color I'm going to try on is called WINNIE. Ooh, it's a deeper red type burgundy color. Let's see. Okay guys, so the next color I'm going to try is called Nina. Ooh. It looks like a dark brown, but in the camera and the light, it looks like it has a hint of like rose or red. So let's see how it looks on my skin. So the last color I'm going to try today is called Brenda. Ooh, this looks sexy as hell. Ooh, I love dark colors.